Look at that fucker. Keeps on nibbling on it, stripping me. There he goes. I got him. 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 I got him, bro. What the hell is that? That's a carp. It's a carp larp. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. That's a good size fucking carp. Look at the full size of that fucker. That's a nice carp. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Look at the size of him. Look at that thing. Look at him. Look at the size of that thing. He's a fucking monster. Look at him. That's a monster, bro. Hey, that's why I come there. Look at the size of him.
Take a picture of that.
Go ahead. I don't bring him out of the water. Oh, he got off.
Oh.
That's all right. I was unhooking him anyway. Did you see the size of him? Told you, them things are beasts, bro. I told you, bro. Fishing's great.
We got one.
Yep. That's a good size one.
Yeah. You gonna do it again?
Huh?
You gonna do it again?
Oh, yeah. That's all I do is come down. That thing was nice.